Welcome to the English news section of Diary Times. State level Jogindanagar Fair meeting on 6 March. The first meeting of state level Jogindanagar Fair to be held in the city from April 1 to 5 in 2021 has been scheduled on March 6 at 11 am in the auditorium of Mini Secretariat Jogindanagar. Himachal Pradesh Budget Session 2021, opposition did a walkout after uproar even on the fourth day. Crowd of candidates from all over the state gathered in the counseling for the recruitment of 34 posts of JBT. If the Congress MLAs have two hands to push us, then we also have two hands, but we believe in the arrangements. When the words are over with the congressmen, they start running their hands, said CM Jairam Thakur. Congress MLA Jagat Singh Negi made a big statement on the controversy going on in the assembly. He said that the governor can also take initiative to resolve the matter. He said the governor is a person sitting in a constitutional post and not a god. He said that CM should apologize. There was a lapse in the security on the first day of the session. This is a mental lapse of the government. He said that double action is being taken on Congress MLA, which is not right. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Jairam Thakur has said that the Himachal government will provide necessary security to Kangana Ranaut if needed. The Chief Minister said that this is a legal process and it would not be appropriate for him to comment more on this. Shanta Kumar spoke to Veerbhadra Singh over telephone. Former Chief Minister and veteran BJP leader Shanta Kumar has termed the mistreatment of Governor as an insult to the Constitution of India. While he has spoken to the former Chief Minister and veteran Congress leader Veerbhadra Singh over the phone over the matter, Shanta Kumar has urged Veerbhadra Singh to ask Congress MLAs to apologize for this. National level Holi festival in Sujanpur. Special care will be given to these things. A national level Holi festival is going to take place under the Corona protocol at Sujanpur in district Hamirpur. The district administration has started preparation for this. It will also have cultural evening in addition to the procession. The theme of the fair this year will be based on the 50 golden years of Himachal. Corona explosion in Bilaspur. 16 employees came together positive, stir in the district. Corona has exploded once again in district Bilaspur. 16 employees working in the hosiery at Dakri Chowk in Ghumarvin city have been found to be corona positive, which has been quarantined. Sampling is also being done for the people who have come in contact with all the people. Action will be taken against those who leave animals destitute. SDM. The veterinary officer and his team examined the cows and vaccinated some of the cows. SDM Bhatiyat Bachchan Singh found in Gosadan that there are some flaws in the Gosadan, which is very important to fix soon. BJP workers burnt effigy of Congress in Dhalpur Chowk. The BJP and Congress has came face to face after the episode on 26 February during the assembly session, due to which the BJP in Kullu took out a rage rally against the Congress headed by District President Bhim Singh Sharma and also submitted a memorandum to the President through DC sent. AVP in Chamba College did a sit-in demonstration. The Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Unit Chamba staged a sit-in in the college over their demands. Unit President Vicky Verma said that the situation in Chamba College has become very pathetic. The educational system of the college has completely collapsed. Sevadal Young Brigade and Yuka raised slogans of go back against the Chief Minister in Bharni for suspension of 5 Congress MLAs, including leader of opposition, and lodging FIR against them. Protests were also staged showing black convoys to the CM's convoy. I agree with Anurag Thakur's statement. Hamirpur is not only backward in development of the state. Abhishek Rana. Taking a dig at the BJP government in the state, Abhishek Rana, chairman of the State Congress Social Media Department, said that for the first time he agreed with the statement of Union State Finance Minister Anurag Thakur, in which he said why Hamirpur is now lagging behind in the development. 1.45 crores being spent on development of mandis in Hamirpur, Ajay Sharma. The quarterly meeting of APMC Hamirpur concluded on Wednesday under the chairmanship of Chairman Ajay Sharma. Various development works were also discussed in detail in the meeting. Announcement of Sangharsh Committee neither will give bank account nor will take compensation. The government was requested to complete bank account number and other formalities with the government awarding the fallen land acquisition as well as the affected people. Wheat rate will be rupees 1975 per quintal in the state. Corporation will open mandis for horse trading. The Food Corporation of India will directly procure wheat from farmers in the state this year. Prices have also been fixed for this, while mandis will also be open for the execution of horse trading at 6 places. The High Court hearing of Gudia case deferred for 6 weeks. The applicant is dissatisfied with the investigation done by the CBI. Hearing on a petition filed in the High Court seeking a reinvestigation into the Gudia rape case was deferred for 6 weeks. The case was heard before the bench of Chief Justice Lingappa Narayan Swamy and Judge Anup Chitkara. In Himachal Pradesh, annual examination of 9th and 11th grade are being started in about 7,000 schools from March 4. Due to the corona epidemic, extra vigilance will be taken during examination. Step behavior with Vajnath Assembly constituency during BJP tenure. 86-year-old Veerbhadra Singh, who was the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh for 6 times, got the corona vaccine. HPPSC has declared the result of postcode 776 and the examination was held on 29th November 2020. Only 212 candidates have cracked the examination. A new way of kidnapping in Nadon in Hamirpur was seen, and the kid was thrown in the bushes after making him unconscious. And the most strange thing was parents of the victim refused to launch any complaint against the criminals. DC issued extension of orders issued for COVID protection till 31st March. Deputy Commissioner and Chairman District Disaster Management Authority Aditya Negi said that the orders issued under the National Disaster Management Act of Prevention of COVID epidemic were extended to 31st March with immediate effect from the point of view of public health and safety. We will be right back with fresh news. Till then, have a nice day from Diary Times.